guys, this devotional is for October 2nd. And we're going to be looking at a verse found in Isaiah. Isaiah 63:7 says, I will mention the loving kindness of the Lord and the praises of the Lord according to all that the Lord hath bestowed on us. Spurgeon writes, And canst thou not do this? Are there no mercies which thou hast experienced? What though thou art gloomy now, canst thou forget the blessed hour when Jesus met thee and said, Come unto me? Canst thou not remember that rapturous moment when he snapped thy fetters, dashed thy chains to the earth, and said, I came to break thy bonds and set thee free? Or, if the love of thine espousers be forgotten, there must be surely some precious milestone along the road of life, not quite grown over with moss, on which thou canst read a happy memorial of his mercy towards thee. What didst thou never have a sickness like that which thou art suffering now, and did he not restore thee? Wert thou never poor before, and did he not supply thy wants? Wast thou never in straits before, and did he not deliver thee? Arise, go to the river of thine experience, and pull up a few bulrushes, and plait them into an ark, wherein thine infant face may float safely on the stream. Forget not what thy God has done for thee. Turn over the book of thy remembrance, and consider the days of old. Canst thou not remember the hill Mizar? Did the Lord never meet with thee at Hermon? Hast thou never climbed the delectable mountains? Hast thou never been helped in time of need? Nay, I know thou hast. Go back, then, a little way to the choice mercies of yesterday, and though all may be dark now, light up the lamps of the past. They shall glitter through the darkness, and thou shalt trust in the Lord till the day break and the shadows flee away. Remember, O Lord, thy tender mercies and thy loving kindnesses, for they have been ever of old. Well, this is a lovely little devotional that's talking about the importance of reflecting on God's goodness in our lives. And in reflecting on God's goodness, we have reason to praise him. And we always have reason to praise him because he is always good. So what I want you to do for today is I just want you to list a few things. Let's just say 3 at least. 3 things that God has done for you, that you look back at those things and you're grateful to him for his mercy in your life. Thank you. Bye.